Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get some of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. So today I want to show you how to replace the wipers on a RAV4, and it's a 2019 through 2024. Get your fingernail under this little piece right here, this black plastic piece, and just kind of pull up on it right here. So all you got to do, like I said, get it under there. If that doesn't work, just get a little small flathead screwdriver or a little plastic pry tool, just pull it up like this. And basically all you have to do is pull it down towards the car and slide it away. And that's it. I've been using these Pias for about 15 years now. Like, really good wipers. I haven't found them in any stores yet. I usually find them on Amazon. The cool thing is when you get them, they actually come with a wipe. You take this, wipe this on the whole windshield. 10 minutes after treating windshield, wipe with dry or slightly damp towel. Instead of lasting a few weeks or a month, it lasts a whole year. So this stuff is really, really good. 1 packet per windshield. And since you're getting 2 wipers, you're actually gonna get 2 packets. You get 1 packet per wiper. So what I would do is just save it and keep it in a cool, dry place. And you could use it when this one runs out and it's not working very well anymore. Take the new one, fold the tab open, just like you did with the other one. Keep this down, all right? Take this and put this in the hole, like so. Slide it up away from the car and close this. You're done, that's it. So it's as simple as that. You can put this one down. So I will show you how to do the passenger one also. Just flip the tab, push it down, pull this up, pull that up. When you're ready to do it, when you're ready to close it, just kind of bring it down, put it in place like so. Pull it away, like I said, slide it to the left away from the car. Flip this down, clip it, and you're good. You're good to go. If you haven't already, you gotta like this video. You know, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing, you gotta subscribe. And of course, if you got any kind of questions or comments on how to do this or what to do or anything at all, just let me know in the comments. I really do get back to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Drive safe. Have a good day. Take care.